Are you giving me an attitude?
Yeah.
I'm gonna beat you up.
My side right here.
What'd you say? Get over here.
I don't do like you.
Shut up and give me a kiss.
No.
Give me lip. Come give me a kiss.
Go to your room.
What? You don't tell me to go to my room? What's wrong with you, lady?
You're going to sleep by yourself.
You're gonna sleep on the couch.
And where are you sleeping?
I'm going to a motel with my friends.
I don't to my mom's.
Go to your mom. I don't like you.
Go to your friends.
I will.